friends, welcome to Carol's Current Obsession. Only it's actually more like Carol's Current Confession. Okay, so I know I said I'm not gonna buy anything more on Aliexpress. You guys, I caved. I totally caved. They had some really cute dolls, and I have some new ones that I'm going to review after these, but these ones are, I bought for my little granddaughter for her birthday, and it looked like her. One of them did, and so I had to get it for her. And the other one, she just always wanted one of these. So I have two dolls here that I'm going to review for you. And they're really perfect. Now, they are from Toys Storehouse. They are 35 centimeter dolls. Vinyl. This one was 20, and this one was 15. Okay. And they both come fully dressed. So, and they came wrapped in puffy air bag things. So they were well protected. Let's take a look. They are the size of a Paola Reina doll. That's kind of nice. So any of those clothes, the 12-inch doll pattern that I have on my Etsy, the doll clothes patterns, will fit these dolls. So that's nice. And then I had to get these because it looks like her. I mean, not blue hair, but you know, it's so cute. Looks like one of my granddaughters. So this is the doll. She has little open closed eyes. I think they call those sleep eyes. She comes with her hair rooted. Let's look at, okay, it's not the heaviest hair, so it's not like, it's not the best hair job, I would say. There's like a hole in the back of her head. A little weird, but she comes with blue hair and cute eyes, cute little face, little hair dooley, this cute little yellow dress, which I think is adorable, and she even comes with little tennis shoes, which are really cute. They are velcroed on, match her outfit nicely. Yeah, she's about the size of Paola Reina, so anything for your Paola Reina doll is gonna fit this doll. She even comes with underwear, which I like that. That's great. The shirt and the dress are separate. Okay, so it's a little shirt, a little dress, underwear, shoes, and a hair thing. And let's see, her mobility. So her legs bend just at the hip, and her arms bend just at the shoulder, and her head twists just at the neck. So she is not a very articulated doll. However, I think for a 2 or 3 year old, pretty good. And a really cute doll. I think she kind of is like a mix between a Paola Reina and a Blythe to me, and a more kid-friendly version of a Blythe. So the head's not quite as big, the eyes don't change creepily, which some of my grandkids think it's pretty creepy that the eyes change on my Blythe dolls. I like it, but they don't. And her face is not flat. I like that. Her face is nice and rounded, which I like. Her hair, again, is not as luxurious as I would have expected for a $20 doll, but she does come fully clothed, so that's good. Let's look at our little black girl and see what they did with her hair, because I'm curious if the hair on this one isn't that great, how they did on the doll, the black hair. Okay, well, it's a little smudged. Actually, the black hair is beautiful. Actually, her black hair is really good. Okay. This hair is good. This is awesome hair. And she costs less too. Her hair is awesome. You could put this into little pigtails or little barrettes. I mean, it's a little high, but yeah, this could be done up really cute. Look at her little face. Now her little face is more reminiscent of a Paola Reina doll face. And she comes with a little dress, also panties, and her little tights and little shoes. So that's pretty cute. And again, yeah, all these they will fit the Paola Reina sized everything. For $15, this is a good deal. This is a really good deal. Look at her sweet little face. Now, she does not have eyes that blink, so her eyes are just stationary. She does have rooted eyelashes, which is nice. And her hair is phenomenal, you guys. This hair is gorgeous. You can just see a little headband on this with a big bow. Oh, so cute. This could be done into little pigtails. Even, yeah, even little knots on the top of her head. So cute. Ah, this hair is good. This is good hair. I mean, it looks crazy, okay? It looks crazy from the hair, but I'm telling you, this is wonderful hair. You'll love that hair. And again, her head moves just at the neck, her arms just at the shoulders, and her legs just at the hips. But, I mean, her dress is not very long. It's not exactly modest, but she does have tights on. And she's got a good color of black. So sometimes when you get stuff from Aliexpress, black dolls and stuff, they tend to have, I don't know, it's almost like a strange black color, like a grayish black. But this is a really beautiful, warm, chocolatey black. It's beautiful. The vinyl tone is gorgeous. Yeah. You would not be sad about this. And again, she looks a lot, her face, a lot like a Paola Reina doll. Just as cute as can be. Their clothes do up in the back with the Velcro. But, again, for $15, fully dressed, this is a good deal. This is a good buy. And really cute. Really cute little doll. So these are the two dolls. You can see how big the face is on this other one. That's why I think it's kind of Blythe-like, because it's got the big wide face instead of the smaller Paola Reina looking face. But so cute. Again, fully dressed. Just cute as can be. The hair on this doll leaves something to be desired. But there's $36 for both of these dolls together. That's a really good buy. And I'm very pleased with these. And the quality, let me tell you, let's tap it. You can hear it's a good thick vinyl. It's solid. So is she. It's not cheap at all. They're good quality dolls. These will last your kids. I think these could be played with forever with dolls. I think these are really good quality doll that, you know, little girl would have a lot of fun playing with. And durable, very durable. And I'll leave a link down below in the description box of where I got these from. This hair is so great. Ah, it's so cute. You love this hair. This one, not so much of the great hair. Cute hair. So cute. So I'm pleased with these. And I think you would be too. If you're looking to buy for kids, these would be great dolls. Good quality dolls. So I just really quickly want to go over the similarities between these two dolls and the Paola Reina doll. These dolls are not real Paola Reinas, obviously. This one here is like a plastic Blythe kind of mix, which I, again, really like because you get the big eyes and face, but you don't have the mechanism in the back. And this is really good for little girls. I just think it's more kid-friendly for little girls, and my granddaughter loves it. This one, of course, she is most like the Paola Reina dolls, and here is an actual Paola Reina. And you can see the similarities in their face shape, the eyes, the little mouth, the whole thing. And I have to say that the hair on this fake Paola Reina is much better than the hair on the real Paola Reina. Okay, maybe it's just because it's the black curly hair. I don't know. But this hair is better on this one, the Aliexpress Paola Reina. Which, this Paola Reina is a really pretty little Paola Reina. She's beautiful and she has really good hair. But this little black fake Paola Reina, I'd have to say, is equal to the real. Yeah. Which, you know, usually you can't find that. And they do wear the same size of clothes, okay? And that's the other thing I wanted to go over, is they do wear the same size of clothes. Now this is the previous Aliexpress Paola Reina fake. And it's cute, and you can see it does look a lot like the Paola Reina, but the face is larger. The body size is just a little different. Still can wear the same size clothes. The hair, remarkably worse. Yeah. And the plastic's not as good on this fake one. However, this one is equal. Okay, the plastic's not quite as heavy on this little black fake Paola Reina as on the real one. And so there's that. But otherwise, she's very equal in quality. And she came with this little dress, tights, panties, shoes. And your Paola Reina doll comes naked. And with a pair of panties, basically. At least this one did for me, because I had to make her an outfit. But I'll tell you, I'm going to do a video soon on this size of doll, and the 12-inch Shirley Temple pattern works for all of these sizes of dolls. So this is something worth noting. Even this one with the great big head, she still fits the 12-inch Shirley Temple pattern. And I'm going to go over and do a video of that with a whole bunch of different dolls. They look like they're different sizes, but they actually all fit this 12-inch dress. Anyway, alright you guys, I hope you've enjoyed it. My Carol's Current Confession. I have some more dolls too that I'm going to show you. You guys, I caved so bad. I could not stay away from the Aliexpress dolls because they are just so cute. And they've got a new wave of male bodies, okay, that are good, that aren't obscene. And so I'm going to do a review on those next. Anyway, thanks so much, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this review. Take care. Bye-bye.
Okay.
Does the dolly have shoes?
Huh?
Yeah. Do you like the dollies?
This is Doria's shoes.
She does have shoes, huh?
She has shoes though.
Aren't they sweet?
Huh?
Are you a lucky girl?
Yeah, walking cool.
Yeah, a lucky girl. You have your own dollies? Yeah? Yeah. What are you going to name them?
Let's go this way.
She has panties, huh? Yeah, she needs a little longer dress, huh?
Shoes out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. She has a dress like you do. Look at that.
I should shoe.
Yeah.
She has shoes.
Yeah.
Shoe.
Yeah, that one's wearing a dress like you, and you have a yellow dress like your other dolly.
Yeah.
Yeah, how lucky. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye. Bye-bye.
Say love you all.
Oh, hi,
Bye now.
Bye, hello.